3.5 When does a human subtype program turn on? Hour X, as time of birth of a human, starts up his subtype program. The soul begins to work, and a human to live. And he will live while his soul, in other words, his subtype program as a mechanism works in his body and works on all 6 factors: intellect, physiology, nutrition, emotions, sexual factor, and environmental factor. If the work of one of these factors stops, then breakage of other factors will follow, fast, as in the case of, for example, physical and nutritional factors, starvation, disease, or slow, as for example in the case of sexual, emotional, or intellectual factors. It does not matter how a person was born, whether in a natural way or, for example, with the use of cesarean section. Individual subtype program starts working at the moment of cutting of the umbilical cord. It does not matter when a person was conceived, how long the pregnancy lasted, and so on. The only important moment is the time of detachment of his body from the body of his mother, in the form of cutting of the umbilical cord, because that is the moment when the individual subtype program begins to work. There is a supposition, although we have not studied this issue within interdisciplinary research, that subtype programs of Homo sapiens is the record that human DNA contains. It is very likely that every human embryo initially contains a record of all 293 subtype structures, along with manipulation modes for each one of them, and a record of passage through these stages of personal subtype evolution of an individual, which are also programmed and are described in Shanhai Jing. This is a huge array of information. However, at the moment of birth, only one of the subtype structures is activated, and all other records remain inactivated. Once again, unlike everything else presented here, this is only a hypothesis.